Covering of human heart. Human heart is covered with the help of protective covering called as pericardium. This pericardium, it shows two different layers. Outer layer of the pericardium is called as fibrous pericardium and inner layer is called as serous pericardium. Outer fibrous pericardium, it is thick and formed with the help of fibrous connective tissue. Inner serous pericardium, it is soft, it is moist, elastic in its nature and formed with the help of squamous epithelial tissue. This serous pericardium further shows two different layers, outer parietal and inner visceral layer. Here you can observe pericardium shows outer fibrous pericardium and inner serous pericardium. Serous shows outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer. You can observe the space which is present in between the outer parietal layer and inner visceral layer is called as pericardial space. This pericardial space is filled with the help of pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid is present in between the outer parietal serous pericardium and inner visceral serous pericardium. So in between these two layers, serous and parietal, there is a presence of pericardial space. This pericardial space is filled with the help of pericardial fluid. Amount is of about 50 ml. This pericardial fluid acts as a lubricating material in between these parietal layer and a visceral layer, which helps to avoid the friction in between these two layers of serous pericardium. So here the pericardial space, which is filled with the help of what? Pericardial fluid. What is a function of this protective covering around the heart and pericardial fluid? This pericardial fluid as well as pericardial membranes are helpful to protect the heart from mechanical injuries, as well as it also acts as shock absorber. This fluid which keeps the heart moist and acts as a lubricant.